tickling sensation in the throat, dryness, irritation or inflammation of the trachea or bronchus can all cause a cough. From an Ayurvedic perspective, most cough are caused by excess pitta or kapha in the bronchial tree, causing congestion and irritation of bronchial mucous membrane. The basic strategy for managing this condition is to reduce the unwanted pitta or kapha that is creating the congestion. To treat a cough most effectively, you need to determine whether it is a dry cough, vata, or a productive cough with mucus coming up, kapha, or whether pitta has also become involved. For a dry cough or a cough without much mucus, eat a ripe banana with 1 teaspoon of honey and 2 pinch of grounded black pepper. You can eat this 2 or 3 times a day. Try chewing 1/4 teaspoon of ajwain mixed with 1 teaspoon of natural organic sugar. Dry cough or irritation in the throat may be due to a slight congestion in the tonsil or a congested condition in the throat such as pharyngitis or laryngitis. To relieve this condition, boil 1 cup milk with half teaspoon turmeric and 1/4 teaspoon ginger. Make a golden yellow milk. If you drink this at night, it will relieve the irritation in the throat and take care of the dry cough. For a productive or cough, the simplest home remedy is black pepper. Mix 1/4 teaspoon of powder with 1 teaspoon of honey and eat it on a full stomach. If your voice is hoarse, use 1 teaspoon of ghee instead of the honey. The heating quality of black pepper helps to relieve congestion and drives out the cough. Take 2 or 3 times a day for 3 to 5 days. A tea made from half teaspoon ginger powder plus a pinch of clove and a pinch of cinnamon powder in a cupful of boiled water can offer relief from your cough. If your cough persists, try this formula: half teaspoon of grounded mustard and half teaspoon of ginger powder. Mix together into 1 teaspoon of honey and eat slowly. Ginger relieves the congestion and mustard has a heating action. You can use this mixture 2 or 3 times a day for as long as the cough persists. Another helpful natural remedy for a productive cough is the following: half teaspoon bay leaf and 1/4 teaspoon pippali. Take this mixture in 1 teaspoon honey 2 or 3 times a day. You can also try 1 teaspoon honey mixed with a pinch of clove powder 2 or 3 times a day. Try giving the child a drink of half cup pomegranate juice with a pinch of ginger powder and a pinch of pippali powder. For chronic cough, make a mixture of 4 parts of garlic powder to 1 part tricatu. Add a little honey. Take this twice a day.